I'm Đura, the time traveler.
And I'm Kronos, the god of time.
And this is my lifestyle time travel blog. And today we are unboxing our own advent calendar. Everyone is unboxing advent calendars, so we have prepared our own version of an advent calendar.
25 days, 25 unique pieces from the past.
So let's see what's hiding inside this beautiful box.
On the first day you get this dress from Egypt for the dynasty.
This one is a spectacular bead net dress. So Kalasiri's dress is an ankle-length tube dress, but this one is sheer and beaded.
Stunning! The second door hides Hellenistic gold earrings.
These beautiful earrings can have ram's heads or bull's heads or lion's heads on the end, but you select which one you prefer. Here we have ram's heads, and they come from the end of the 4th century BC.
Very heavy. And number 3, it's Roman perfume. Cyprinium, the most luxurious and prestigious Roman perfume.
Yes, when you spray it, you just smell the luxury. It feels expensive, you know, you can smell the myrrh, the cardamom, the henna. It is henna-based perfume, yes, and you can smell it. And you can also smell a pinch of cinnamon. It is really a wonderful, wonderful
Is it
fragrance.
unisex though?
Yes, it is unisex. Everybody can wear it if they can afford it.
And all of its ingredients were imported.
Yes, that is why it was so expensive.
And number 4, makeup. Green Roman eyeshadow.
It was made from malachite, which is copper carbonate, and it was crushed and turned into powder so the Roman ladies could paint their faces.
And number 5, Egyptian head comb.
It is wax perfume head comb that's worn over the wig on special occasions. And then you take that comb, you put it on your head, and it slowly melts into your hair. So you give off that nice smell longer. And it is made from oils, resin, fat, and myrrh. And now it is the time to decorate your house with this masterpiece that is made from limestone.
The oldest statue in the world, Urfa Man, and it's pretty big, 1.8 meters high.
And it has sparkly eyes because they are made from obsidian, the volcanic glass. And this statue is 11,000 years old and it comes from Turkey. And now...
Number 7, Wasech, Egyptian white collar.
It was that typical necklace that you picture all the pharaohs with, that is made from beads, and it was reserved only for the Egyptian elite. And it was made from different colorful beads, like from gold, lapis lazuli or turquoise.
And number 8, finally something useful, curse tablets.
You get a piece of magic. Actually, you get this lead tablet that has inscription in it where you ask for help from the deceased to conduct some business in this world. So you can put this curse tablet into someone's grave and then the dead will help you to eliminate competition in love or in sport or in business or in politics. Maybe this will come useful with this World Cup.
And number 9, let's go back to decorating your house. It's plaster skull from Jericho.
These pre-Potter Neolithic bee-lined plaster skulls were made from human remains, but that actual skulls were lined in plaster and then modeled to resemble a lifelike figure. And to add to this liveliness, they put shells into those eye sockets so that you could always remember your ancestors. Remember where you came from.
And number 10, your personal favorite, Bronze Age herring.
They were worn in pairs and they looked like coils from bronze, electrum, silver or gold. And electrum is natural alloy of silver and gold. And they were worn across Europe, and you can wear them even today because they're back in style.
And number 11, bull skull, Ukrainian.
Perfect ornament for your fireplace. And it was made from actual bull skull that was coated in clay and then modeled to resemble an actual bull. This one is from the Neolithic period, site of Belgrade, and it was placed next to an oven, so basically a fireplace.
And number 12, I'm not sure what it is.
Oh, this is something new, this is something fresh. Those are bronze statues from San Casciano dei Bagni. They were recently discovered in Italy in a shrine, a temple dedicated to Apollo. And this shrine was from Etruscan and from Roman period, so they both prayed to the same god Apollo. And they were found in a basin in the center of this temple.
And now, lucky number?
13.
Roman high-end blush.
This expensive version of the blush was made from ochre, which is clay pigment that was crushed and turned into powder, so that the rich ladies could paint their cheeks.
And now, number 14, Egyptian golden slippers.
These beautiful slippers were not actually wearable, they were just used as a funerary gift. They were found in tombs. So they look good, you can do a photo shoot in them, but just don't wear them, you'll break your neck.
Or just die in them. And number 15, Gilgamesh Dream Tablets.
This exclusive part of the Epic of Gilgamesh is the one where he is retelling his dream to his mother. And Epic of Gilgamesh is a Sumerian and Akkadian poem that was written in different tablets. So here in our advent calendar you are getting one chapter of this story.
And number 16, February, the whip.
It was a tool used for the purification during the Roman times. And you purify yourself to enter into a new season with a clean slate.
And number 17, Hellenistic golden bracelet.
It was gold and polished crystal, and it had small but beautiful ram's head. And it goes perfectly with the item number 2, those ram earrings.
Just gorgeous.
So you can pair them.
And number 18, something for the boys, Bula, the amulet locket.
It was worn by boys in the Roman period, and it was an amulet, protective amulet that was made from gold if you are rich, but if you're not, then it's from lead or leather or just cloth. It had the function to protect you against evil spirits. But this one that we are offering today is pure gold.
Number 19, Neolithic house model.
This one is from Platei Magula Zarco, and it was made from clay. So here you can see the inside of the house with the whole family and an oven. So this one is also another decorative piece that we are offering in our advent calendar.
For free. And number 20, Egyptian toe caps.
To pair them with gold slippers. These were found in a grave, so in a tomb, and they were not worn every day. So if you want to go high fashion for New Year's Eve, just put on these golden toe caps and die.
And now 21, reusable Roman perfume bottle.
Eco-friendly. We are eco-friendly. So these bottles were made from blown glass, and you can choose which design was your favorite. And you can store oil or perfume in it, like cyprinium or sucinium or rhodinum.
And number 22, Mramorac belt from Serbia.
This silver belt was worn during the Iron Age, and it was pretty massive, decorated and really beautiful. This belt might be a bit controversial to wear today because it has swastikas all over it. So because Nazis used this symbol that was way before their time, it now has bad association. But it was really used even during the Iron Age. And number 23.
Egyptian mirror.
It is silver with gold-plated handle.
Hathor.
Yes, Hathor is depicted the goddess of joy, dance and music. And this mirror was really expensive, and it is from the New Kingdom.
And number 24, the famous Lady of Vinča.
You have this beautiful figurine that is made from clay and then painted in red. It's one of our favorites. And you can also use it to decorate your house.
And number 25, Caligula's ring.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Beautiful ring was made from one single piece of sapphire, and it has gold band, and it has also the portrait of Caesonia.
Caligula's wife.
Allegedly again. Really a grand finale of our advent calendar.
Order now and get it for free.
It doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist. It's made
In your
up.
mind.
This advent calendar is a way to learn new things for free.
Yeah.
I hope you liked this selection of 25 exquisite items from the past.
Happy holidays, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.